everyone, welcome back to my channel. Well, I have another style for you. This is a very quick and easy one. This one is just a ponytail that I created with a braiding canicle on hair, and I just wanted to share with you. It's a very easy, very cost effective, which means that is a really inexpensive style. And if you would like to know how I created this one, stay tuned. As you can see, I part my hair. I have a little rectangle right there in the middle where I'm gonna do my braid, and now I'm just gelling my head down all the way, the one from the back, just putting together to come all the way to the top, both sides. And then once I'm done with that, I'm gonna start braiding the one in the middle, and I'm using 100% canicle. I'm just braiding hair. I use expression hair on this one in the back for the ponytail part, and in the front to do my braids. So now I'm going to start doing the braids in the middle, the rectangle part in the middle. I started with this is a fitting braid that I'm doing in the middle. I started with my own hair, and then I add extension hair as I go. This one here is a matter of practice to me, because if you really don't have any clue of how you can do this, it would be hard to do it. So it's better you practice. I mean, you can do hair on somebody's head, but doing it on your own is a little harder. So I would suggest just keep practicing until you're able to braid your own hair into a fitting braid like this. For me here, I really never attempt a fitting braid on my head before. This is a very first time, but I already know how to braid, so it still looks okay. Okay, so as for the ponytail in the back, I am using braiding hair like I mentioned earlier, 100% coniculum hair. This one is 84 inches that I cut in half and stretched out. So I'm using a net that I form into like a ponytail, kind of like a holder net. You can always get a already made net like this, ponytail head net like this on Amazon. I didn't have one, so I kind of have to make my own. So just crochet the hair on the ponytail net, and then what I did is just I braided it in individual braids, thick box braids that I did. And then when I was done, I just I wrapped it into like a flexi rod, just to give it more body. And I dipped it in the hot water, and I just let it dry. I let it dry before I unravel the hair, and that was pretty much it. So my hair is ready for the braid in the middle. Basically, I just wrapped it over and pin it down. That's pretty much what I did. With the ponytail here, I add a attachment comb on each side, and it does have an elastic, a plastic elastic band all over around it, and then just pull it through, pull it to make it tighter when you, as you can see here, one in the bottom, one on the top. And I just attach this to the other part of my hair in the back, the other ponytail that I made, and just pull through the elastic band there and make it tight. That's basically it. I also took a little bit of hair and wrapped it over around it, and I separated the hair a little bit more, just a little trim to where you need it, and that is it. It's very simple, guys. And I also went and added some accessories in the braids, and that was it. This hair really surprised me because it was really soft and really manageable. It didn't tangle on me, and I was very pleased with the result. And this is the final look on this hair right here. I enjoyed it. I rocked this for a couple of weeks. I mean, couple of days. I don't keep my hair too long just because I have to move to the next style. But it was very fun to wear. At night, I just take the ponytail out, and I, just put my hair back on my satin cap, and then in the morning I just put it back in again. You can always sleep with it if you choose to. That's totally fine as well. cut it long, and I also wanted to cut it and see how it look short. So I took it out and just give it a cut. As you can see, when I cut it downward with the scissors because I didn't want it to cut it just straight up. Just work with it till the length that you desire, and that's something that you can always do. Like if you have something like this, you wear it for weeks, and you want to change the style, you can always cut it down to give it a different style. And this is how it looks shorter or more like a shoulder length style, and I love this one as well. And that is it for this video today, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please like, share, and leave me comments down below. If you do have any questions about this hair, please give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and stay tuned for more videos to come. I wanted to ask you guys your opinion on the look. Do you prefer the long one or the short one? Please leave me a comment down below and let me know which one of the looks you like better, either the long one or the short one. Okay, I will gladly appreciate that. And go ahead and subscribe to this channel, guys. It is free. Join the family. Let's go on this journey together, like I always said. And stay tuned for more video to come. And I appreciate you guys being here, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye.